Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your Infinix Hot 40 device in both lock and unlock mode. Basically, we have two reset options, soft reset and hard reset. Soft reset doesn't clear or erase all data, but hard reset does. So in this video, we are talking about hard reset only. And if you guys also don't know your phone password or your phone is locked, so don't worry, I'm gonna tell you the method to erase all data without your phone password also. So before starting the video, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from this channel, and also comment us for further tips and tricks. Okay, now let's start. If your phone is unlocked already and you want to erase all data, just go to settings and then scroll it down to system. Then you have this window where we have many options. Just tap on reset phone and then tap on very bottom erase all data. After that we have this option, just tap on erase all data and your all phone data will be erased. So this is a method if your phone is unlocked already and you want to reset your phone. But there's also a method if your phone is locked and you don't know the password. So don't worry, I'm giving you this method. So just switch off the phone. After switching off the phone, all we need these three keys only. So for reset, just press power button and volume up button at the same time. This window appeared, then leave the button. For next window, press power button and then press volume up button. So this window appears. After that, all we want to erase all data, we have this option right here. But since the touch panel is not working that time, so all we can do is through the volume keys. For downward, we press volume down. Here's the option wipe data and factory reset. So for selection, just press power button. After that, we want factory data reset. Just press volume down button and then for selection, press power button. See, all the data start wiping. It will take only 3 to 4 seconds and then all the data wiped and your phone erase all the data. Then just press power button to select reboot system now. After that, your phone take 3 to 4 minutes to complete all this processing and then your phone will be restart again with no data because all your data already erased. If you don't know the phone password, then you can apply this method to erase all your data. So that's it about the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just like the video and follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.